Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Lost Light game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a redeem code to get various different rewards within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Lost Light on your device and you will need to choose your server in order to end up within the main menu. Once you enter this page, after selecting your server, you will find the gear icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and this will open up the settings page. From here, you will need to click on Redemption Center at the left side. Go ahead and click on it, and this will open up the redeem page. Here you are given a box where you can enter your redeem code. Just click on this box and then type in your redeem code in order to get your reward. After typing it in, click on the redeem button and your code will be checked. And if you have entered the correct code, you will be given the reward that is associated with it within your account right away. You can use multiple redeem codes to get various different rewards as long as they are legit. You can use your rewards that you have made to buy various upgrades for your character and also several items from the shop. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on the Lost Light game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.